Greetings of the day. My name is Nivedita Dutta. I am a final year student of IHM Hyderabad. Indian Culinary Forum, in collaboration with Karamat, has organized a virtual competition named Let's Do Some Karamat. And today I am going to use this Gulab Jamun mix to prepare Shrikhand Praline Gulab Jamun. So we need Gulab Jamun mix, milk, sugar, water. For praline we need powder sugar, almond, ghee or butter, water. For Shrikhand we need powder sugar, elaichi essence, yogurt and almond. Let's begin with Gulab Jamun. In Gulab Jamun mix add milk. Knead it properly and make a dough. Rest it for 30 minutes. Now after 30 minutes make roundel and deep fry it. When the color of the roundel changes into brown color, soak it in sugar syrup. Time for praline. Take a pan, add small amount of water and then powdered sugar. Let the water reduce and sugar caramelize, then add butter or ghee. Then add sliced almond. Take a tray, grease it well. Now pour the mixer on the tray and let it cool. Time for Shrikhand. Add powder sugar in the yogurt and mix it well. It should be creamy. Add elaichi essence to it. Then add finely sliced almond and mix it well. Let's assemble. So we have sliced almond, praline is ready, Gulab Jamun and elaichi flavored Shrikhand. Take a bowl and add Shrikhand to it. Then break the praline into small chunks and put it over the Shrikhand. Now time to place Gulab Jamun. Here I have placed 2 Gulab Jamun. Place the praline in the center and garnish it with sliced almond. It's ready. Here it is. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like the recipe.